हाय एवरीवन, आज की इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे कि टेंसरफ्लो है क्या, इसके कॉन्सेप्ट्स क्या हैं, ये काम कैसे करता है, इसके की कंपोनेंट्स क्या क्या हैं और लास्टली इट्स यूसेज इन एआई। सो व्हाट इज़ टेंसरफ्लो? टेंसरफ्लो इज़ नथिंग बट एन ओपन सोर्स एंड मोस्ट पॉपुलर मशीन लर्निंग एंड डीप लर्निंग फ्रेमवर्क जो कि डेवलप किया गया है बाय गूगल ब्रेन टीम। TensorFlow is like a toolkit for building and training machine learning models and that learns from the data that helps in computers make decisions and predictions without being explicitly programmed for. Okay. So tensor का मतलब होता है कि imagine tensor as a container. Basically एक container समझ लो इसको that holds the data. So that data could be a number, a vector, a matrix or even a higher dimensional structure. Okay. So think it like a box that can hold the different kind of information. Now flow. So flow is nothing but it refers to the way data moves through the system. Now how TensorFlow works? So TensorFlow में भी आप एक model define करते हो. You decide on an architecture of your machine learning model. Okay, this could be a simple decision tree or a complex neural network. Second thing, you represent the data as tensors. So tensor, you convert your data like image, text or numbers into tensors because this is the format it understands. Third is building the graph. So you create a flowchart like structure that represents the computations your model is going to perform. Basically it will tell you that this is how my model is going to perform the computation. So that is called the computational graph. Fourth thing is that you train the model. So you feed your training data into the model and TensorFlow adjusts the model parameters, okay, based on the differences between its prediction and the actual outcomes, and that's how your model is getting trained. So once your model is trained, what you do predictions. So prediction में क्या करोगे आप? एक unseen and new data पे आप prediction करना start करोगे, ठीक है? So basically it follows the learned patterns to give you the answer, and the efficiency of your model keeps on increasing by हैविंग मोर एंड मोर डेटा. बेसिकली जितना ट्रेन करोगे आप अपने मॉडल को, जितना डेटा उसमें करेक्ट डेटा दोगे उतना अच्छा आपका मॉडल बनेगा. नाउ इफ यू सी द की कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ टेंसरफ्लो, वी आर हैविंग लेयर्स. सो लेयर्स इज नथिंग बट बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक्स ऑफ योर मॉडल्स, ठीक है. दीज प्रोसेसेस इनपुट डेटा एंड एक्सट्रैक्ट द फीचर्स आउट ऑफ द डेटा. एंड सेकेंड थिंग इफ यू सी इज अ लॉस फंक्शन. ओके, लॉस फंक्शन इफ यू सी मैथमेटिकली इट शुड बी लेस. सो basically this measures how well your model is doing. Now coming to the key aspects of TensorFlow. TensorFlow basically provides a comprehensive set of tools, libraries and community resources for building and deploying ML models across a wide range of domains. Okay, so it supports various machine learning tasks such as classification हो गया आपका, regression हो गया, clustering हो गया, सब कुछ ये support करता है. Second thing is that it is helped in deep learning process. So TensorFlow is particularly powerful for deep learning tasks. It supports the construction and training of deep learning network. Okay, sorry, deep neural network. Then the deep neural network अगर हम देखें तो basically we can say that is CNN and RNN, convolutional neural network and recurrent neural network. Okay, and transformers. So this makes it suitable for image recognition. Basically image recognition में deep learning काम आता है, natural language processing में काम आता है, and any complex task which is there उसको solve करने के लिए deep learning TensorFlow का use कर सकते हैं. Then comes your TensorFlow Lite. अगर मुझे मोबाइल जैसे डिवाइस या IoT छोटा डिवाइस है वहाँ पे अगर मशीन लर्निंग मॉडल को डिप्लॉय करना है तो उसके लिए भी बनाया गया है TensorFlow Lite. ओके, एंड इट इनेबल्स द डिप्लॉयमेंट ऑफ ML मॉडल्स इन smartphones and IoTs. So guys, this was a very short tutorial regarding TensorFlow wherein we had learned basics of it, and let me know in comment section if you want to deploy any machine learning model or any deep learning model using TensorFlow, like image recognition हो गया या natural language processing का कुछ हो गया. So let me know in comment section, and we'll come up with another video wherein we will involve the model we can deploy a ML model or DL models. Okay, so until then, this is Max signing off guys, and take care.